Good morning, friends. Myself, Sunny N. Khalas, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, VPMP Polytechnic. Subject name is Fundamental of Digital Electronics. Subject code is 3310702. Unit name is Binary Logic and Boolean Algebra. Topic name is NAND and NOR as a universal gate. All other gates can be realized using NAND gate. So, NAND gate is known as the universal gate. We shall see how different types of gates can be realized using NAND gate. This represents will demonstrate the basic function of NAND gate. How a NAND gate can be used to replace an AND gate and OR gate or an inverter gate. How a logic circuit implemented with AOI logic gates can be re-implemented using only NAND gates. That using a single gate type, in this case NAND, will reduce the number of integrated circuits required to implement a logic circuit. See here the symbol of NAND gate. When there are two input X and Y of NAND gate, the output will be Z. It is XY, X dot Y bar, which is equal to X bar plus Y bar as per the law of Boolean algebra. See the truth table of NAND gate. Here X and Y are two input of NAND gate and Z is the output of NAND gate. There are four possibility of two input. First one is 0 0, it means X0 Y0. Second possibility of input is 0 1, it means X is 0 Y is 1. Third possibility is 1 0, it means X1 and Y0. Fourth possibility is 1 1, it means X1 and Y1 both are 1. See, for this four possibility, which is the output of NAND gate. Okay. When X and Y both are 0, the output of NAND gate Z is 1. When X and Y, X is 0 and Y is 1, the output of AND gate is 1. When X is 1, Y is 0, the output of NAND gate is 1. When X is 1 and Y is 1, the output of NAND gate is 0. This is the truth table of NAND gate. See here how NAND gate becomes an inverter gate. We see when the two input of NAND gate are short, it means it will become a one input X. The output of NAND gate is X bar, which is invert or complement of input. Okay. Here see the truth table. When X is 0, output Z is 1. When X is 1, output Z is 0. Which is the truth table of NOT gate or inverter gate, right? Which is invert the input. See here NAND gate as an AND gate. When we use AND gate for become a AND gate, see the symbol as well as the truth table of this circuit. AND gate is realized by inverting the output of the NAND gate, which is shown in figure. Okay, and the truth table of this circuit see, it is exactly equal to AND gate. When two input X and Y gives 0 0, the output Z is 0. When X is 0 and Y is 1, the output Z is 0. When X is 1, Y is 0, the output is 0. When X and Y both are 1, then output Z is also 1. See this truth table, which is prove that this is the truth table for AND gate, exactly equal to the AND gate, right? Now see the NAND gate as an OR gate. Logic circuit of OR gate from NAND gate is shown in this figure. See the truth table. Okay. When X and Y both are 0, output Z is 0. When X is 0, Y is 1, output is 1. When X is 1, Y is 0, output is 1. When X and Y both are 1, then output is 1. Okay. So this truth table prove that how NAND gate work as a OR gate, because this truth table is exactly is equal to the OR gate. Now see the NAND gate equivalent to different kind of gate, right? See how NAND gate becomes AND, how NAND gate becomes OR, how NAND gate becomes inverter gate or NOT gate. See this figure. Now we move on different universal gate, which is NOR gate. This representation will demonstrate the basic function of the NOR gate, how an NOR gate can be using to replace an AND gate, an OR gate or an inverter gate. How a logic circuit implemented with AOI logic gates could be re-implemented using only NOR gate. That using a single gate type, in this case NOR will reduce the number of integrated circuits required to implement a logic circuit. Just as all other gates can be realized using NAND gate, this gate can also be realized using NOR gate. So NOR gate is also known as universal gate. However, NAND gate is widely used compared to the NOR gate. See NOR gate. This is the NOR gate. X and Y are two input and Z is the output of the gate. See the truth table. When X is 0, Y is 0, output is 1. When X is 0, Y is 1, output Z is 0. When X is 1, Y is 0, output is 0. When X and Y both are 1, output is 0. Okay. So this is the symbol of NOR gate and this is the truth table of NOR gate. Let us see how NOR gate work as inverter gate. See, when the two input are short and become a one input of NOR gate, it becomes inverter gate. Okay, when input X is 0, output is 1, and input X is 1, output is 0. Okay, so output is invert of input. So it will become a NOT gate or inverter gate. Now see NOR gate as an OR gate. When we use the NOR gate as an OR gate, this is the logic circuit diagram and this is the truth table for this. X and Y are two input and Z is output of that particular circuit. When X is 0, Y is 0, output Z is 0. When X is 0, Y is 1, output is 1. When X is 1, Y is 0, output is 1. When X and Y both are 1, output is 1. Okay, so this is the truth table of OR gate. Let us see NOR gate as an AND gate. So above is the circuit diagram for AND gate, which is made from NOR gate. X and Y both are input and Z is output. When X and Y both are 0, output is 0. When X is 0, Y is 1, output is 0. When X is 1, Y is 0, output is 0. When X and Y both are 1, output is 1. Okay, so this is exactly equal to the AND gate. It is the truth table for AND gate. Okay, see, this is the different gate which will be made from NOR gate, and it is the exact equivalent circuit, right? Where NOR gate using to making different kind of gate, this kind of circuit will be used. For AND gate, first number from left hand side, first number circuit will be used. For OR gate, middle circuit will be used, and for invert gate, last one, top of the right circuit will be used. Okay, thank you very much.